Welcome to our state-of-the-art FTO-7 formulations facility, built to deliver safe, reliable, and innovative therapies for patients worldwide. Our facility is designed for sterile excellence with advanced cleanroom architecture and robust environmental controls. This plant successfully supplies both OSD and injectable commercial products to several regions including North America, Latin America, Europe, and Japan, along with domestic supplies. The oral solid dosage manufacturing journey begins with precise dispensing of APIs and excipients, carried out under controlled conditions to ensure accuracy, traceability, and batch integrity from the very first step. Based on product requirements, the materials then move through granulation, enabling improved flow, uniformity, and compressibility to support robust downstream processing. Following granulation, solution preparation and processing ensure consistent binder or coating solutions, supporting uniform granule formation and process reproducibility. The granules are then transferred to blending, where APIs and excipients are homogeneously mixed to achieve content uniformity across the batch. Once blended, the material proceeds to tablet compression, where carefully controlled parameters deliver tablets with consistent weight, hardness, and dissolution characteristics. Compressed tablets may then undergo coating applied to enhance stability, improve patient acceptability, and enable functional performance such as taste masking or modified release. Post-coating, tablets pass through automated and manual inspection systems to ensure only compliant units proceed further, maintaining the highest quality standards. The finished tablets are then sealed using high-speed blister packing lines designed to protect product integrity while ensuring accurate labeling and serialization. For capsule manufacturing, the high-accuracy tamping pin capsule fillers handle pore flow powders, pellets, and particulates to achieve target fill weights while detecting and locking out empty capsules for quality. The bottle filling systems package tablets or capsules into HDPE bottles, preserving dosing accuracy and providing moisture and tamper protection vital for OSD shelf life and supply chain integrity. Our vial manufacturing journey begins as teams compound sterile solutions in ISO Class 5 hoods, managing 3 literase to 300 literase batches through automated CIP/SIP cycles, sterile filtration, and VHP decontamination for flawless Grade A readiness. Pre-sterilized vials are unloaded from trays into washers that rinse with WFI, blast air, and siliconize in 3 phases to banish particles, pyrogens, and residues. They glide through a HEPA-filtered tunnel for high-heat sterilization, with constant particle checks keeping conditions pristine. Robotic fillers then dose precise volumes via peristaltic pumps in isolators, verifying every vial's weight and rejecting flaws on the spot. Stoppers drop in robotically to seal headspace. Vision systems confirm perfection, followed by torque-crimped aluminum seals delivered cleanly to avoid mix-ups. Next, 7 to 20 square meters lyophilizers freeze dry with aggressive nucleated cycles for ideal cakes, monitored contact-free for uniformity. Operators scrutinize every vial under optimized lights and backgrounds at semi-automated stations, spotting defects with precision. Labels affix automatically with scannable codes. Cameras verify accuracy and add serialization for traceability. Finally, cartons enclose vials with leaflets and tamper seals via aggregation tech before case packing and palletizing wrap up the serialized process. Quality is embedded in every stage of development at Aurigene. Our quality control systems ensure compliance with regulatory standards while maintaining speed and precision. We prevent deviations through proactive measures and continuous improvement. QC microbiology laboratories monitor environmental conditions, raw materials, and finished products, ensuring compliance with global pharmacopeal and regulatory expectations. Beyond manufacturing, finished and in-process materials are stored in a temperature-controlled, automated ASRS warehouse, enabling secure, efficient, and fully traceable material movement and inventory management. With SAP material management ensuring 100% traceability from receipt to batch release. Our facilities operate 365 days, 24/7, with sustainability at the core. Our initiatives are recognized by global accredited agencies. At Aurigene, collaboration drives innovation. Our expert team and advanced facilities are here to help you bring groundbreaking therapies to life. Let's work together and accelerate innovation.